What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Lightskin HD, and I'm gonna keep this video short and sweet. I'm gonna teach y'all how to tie a durag, because some dudes don't know how to. I got hair now, so it's not gonna look the same, but it's the same concept of tying a durag, so I got y'all. Alright, so I just got my durag, put it on top of my head, and all you really do is line it up. Make sure you grab these two strings, and you want to pull them back. Pull them back behind your ear and cross them behind your head. Put one in your mouth to hold it tight. And now, you cross that one. Try and leave that one in the back. You put this one on. Try and straighten it out so it looks good. Hold up. This right here. Make it as tight as you want. Me, I got too much hair at the top of my head, so this looks weird right now. Wish I had waves low key. You just tie it in the back of your head, put it in a little knot. And I'm trying to flatten it out real quick. Too much hair poking out. That's the Dewey. Something like that. Nothing too crazy. A little knot in the back. You can rock it like this if you want. You know, this type of hard, you feel me? But yeah, that's how you tie a durag. I kind of mess with it if I didn't have too much hair. But yeah. Hope y'all enjoyed. Quick tutorial to tie a durag, and catch y'all on the next one. Peace.